Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the issue files are not opening on PowerPoint. So first step, you need to right click on the file which you want to open with the PowerPoint and go to its properties. Then you need to click on change option here and you can select here the PowerPoint option and instantly you should able to fix the issue. If this is not the case and you have already done this setting, now let's move on to the next step. Next step is you need to open your run command. Simply open this, and once you open this, you need to type here power pnt space / save and click on OK. And once you click on OK, your PowerPoint will be open in a safe mode. As you can see here, go to file, then go to options and go to add-ins and simply click on manage and disable the add-ins option here. Then click on OK and see if you are able to fix the issue or not. So this is a step number 2. It should fix your issue now. If it is also not working, normal open the PowerPoint, go to file, options, go to trust center, click on trust center settings, and you need to go to here option the protected view. Enable protected view for file originating internet. Enable, you can untick the first option, then click on OK. And if first option is not working, you can untick all the options here and then click on OK. And once you click on OK, it should fix your issue now. If that is also not working for you, what you can do is you can repair your Office 365 or MS Office. How to search it? Let's open the control panel. Open the control panel and go to category wise icons here. Then go to this option, uninstall a program, and look for your Office. Simply click on change and click on quick repair, or even you can choose the option online repair. So let's click on quick repair and it will repair your PowerPoint as well as the Office 365 or the normal Office. So this is the solution. I hope one of the solutions works for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.